guys, welcome back to Code It All, and welcome back for another video in CSS position in the CSS position playlist. So today we're going to be talking about the other three not as widely used CSS positions, but are static, fixed, and sticky. So they're pretty easy. You won't be seeing them a lot, not at least not as much as absolute and relative. But yeah, it's good to know. It's good to know them. So I'm just gonna be rushing through those three right here because it's pretty easy. You won't need to remember a lot, that sort of thing. So let's get going. So in case you like the content of in case you like this sort of content and enjoy my other videos, please consider subscribing. It pushes me to create free content for everybody, and smash the like button down below. Get some comments on how I can improve and all of that. So thank you guys for watching. That's the outro. I keep forgetting, but let's get going. So I'm just gonna create my index HTML. And do I want a style sheet? No, I don't think I need it. So tab, and this is Emmet, which is a plugin, and it allows us to generate all of these head body markup, and allows us to generate HTML and CSS a lot faster. Just gonna change this rest of the positions and style tags. Seems okay, and now I am going to be giving let's see, how I want it to be is okay, let's go. I'm gonna create a box. So for the box, what I'm gonna do is, it's just a box. I don't need anything else. So I'm just gonna go the box sizing, border box, and I'm gonna go style the box for some time. Width can be 100 pixels, height can be 100 pixels, and the background color can be a light salmon. And let's just open this up with the Live Server, which is a Visual Studio Code extension, and you can use it in other editors, which is Atom Live Server and Atom. And I don't exactly know what it is in Sublime, but yep. And now you see this box here, and I'm just gonna give it a position of static. Alright, so I'm just gonna enter some p-text here. Lorem. So lorem is another Emmet abbreviation which gives us a whole bunch of filler text, you could say, and it allows me to demonstrate position static easier. So what I'm going to do is, so as I might have told you in the last video if you watched it, position static is like the default position of every single element on the page. It has basically translate. No need that. No need of that. Get out of the way. Okay, so lorem. Oh, sorry, what was I talking about? Yep, I remember. I was talking about, as I showed you in the last video, static is the default position, and it is basically like it does not disturb the flow of elements on the page, and it still retains the responsiveness. I'm just gonna go inspect it, go into the responsive mode, and you can put it together. It still remains static, and the flow of elements does not get disturbed. So that is position static. Pretty easy, right? And now I'll be back for position fixed. Okay, so guys, I'm back. As you see, I made a few changes in my markup. I added a div which says this is fixed, and I just removed the box class and all of that. So now I'm just gonna go give it a position of fixed. So what this does is, where the hell is it? This is fixed. So this position fixed is relative to the viewport. So it isn't response. So it basically is relative to the entire viewport. So the position of it is not gonna change at all. It's not gonna change at all. So yeah, it's actually relative to the viewport. You don't use it much at all. I've hardly seen people use it, so it's not really that important. And now let's just go back to static. Sorry, I mean not static, I mean sticky. So, I'm just gonna go. Oops, let's go, let's. So, as you see, this is now sticky. So, obviously, you can't see it yet. What I'm gonna do is go give this paragraph an inline style. I guess you do it like this. Style equals padding bottom of say 1,000 pixels. Seems fine, and let's go check that out. It isn't sticky. Why aren't you sticky? You betray me. It actually is it sticky. .nav position of sticky. What else do we need to do to make it more sticky? So dumb. Why doesn't it stick? Let's go inspect it. Let's see. Position. Let's go here. Not the nav. It says position sticky. Let's move that and see how it goes. Still the same. So the add position sticky. But display block, I think it's all the same. I don't think there's anything different in there. Why isn't it working? Let's go check out the docs. I haven't really used sticky a lot. Position sticky not working. If overflow is set to hidden, for parent element has a set height. Let's see, Stack Overflow. Hybrid of relative and fixed positioning. The else element is treated relatively positioned until it passes a specific threshold at a point which is treated as fixed positioned. You may need a threshold at least. Oh, I'm just gonna add basically a top of 5 pixels. Is that fine? T10 pixels. I can find 10 pixels. Let's check that out. So yeah, it works perfectly. You see, this div just remains constantly here. Thank you, Stack Overflow. So yeah, it remains constantly there, and that's what Position Sticky does. So what you could do is you could apply to your nav bars in your project, so your user can just go here regardless of where they are on the page. They don't have to scroll all the way back up, and they can just click it around here, and then they can get whatever they want. So this is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment down below how it was. And thank you guys for watching and